stocks. Another week of gains for U.S. stocks. Courtney Donohoe has the latest from the New York Stock Exchange. Courtney.
Well, hey there, Pimm. S&P seeing the longest weekly rally since 2007. Well, I was talking to Ben Willis of Sunrise Securities here, and he says don't fight the tape. He thinks we're still in an uptrend, and money managers, they're looking to new leadership. But we saw the gains today on the back of banks and JPMorgan. JPMorgan posting a record $4.8 billion profit. Dick Bove pointing out that 5 of the 6 businesses showing improvements and revenue momentum positive for the bank. Jamie Dimon also reiterating his desire to restore the company dividend. So lots of investors, they're hoping we'll see the same from other banks like Bank of America and also Wells Fargo. Now, semis saw a bit of a pop on Intel's report from Thursday, saying it would bump up spending on plants and also equipment this year. But the strong earnings reports overshadowing the bleak look of the consumer. We saw lower than forecast consumer confidence and retail sales numbers for December. But still, the gains in retail sales and also in industrial production showing the economic recovery picking up as we head off into the new year. But we're also looking at what's ahead. And David Winters of Wintergreen Advisors, he's the manager of 2 of the best performing mutual funds over the past decade. And he's optimistic on the market, saying global stocks may rise in 2011. He says there's an enormous amount of stimulus that's been applied to almost everywhere in the world. And he goes on to say the economy seems to be getting better, and there are still many stocks are not expensive. There's potential for upside in the markets. And Winters favors stocks in emerging economies in Asia and said many U.S. companies look attractive, but he does point out American equities will do okay this year, Pimm.
Thank you very much. Courtney Donohoe reporting from the New York Stock Exchange.